Been like this since 5 p.m. yesterday. Here it is, midnight the next day. 14 degrees outside. No fun. Sketchy. Luckily I got all-wheel drive. It's doing pretty well. I ain't doing the speed limit. 50? Hell no. It is a windy SOB. We've got 50-mile-an-hour gusts. Can't see shit. The thing that sucks is it started raining, and then it got to 19 degrees real quick, so that turned to ice, and then the snow fell on top of it. This isn't too bad right here. Blowing Rock, North Carolina. I should be out of the mountains here pretty soon, or lower elevation at least. Yeah, it's 14 degrees right now. I told Alex I'd get some scenery pictures, but that didn't work out. They started closing roads before this, or especially the mountain passes and stuff for where the scenic overlooks were. Told her I was going to get some scenery pictures, but that didn't work out. I've been sitting in the hotel for 3 days. So here's your scenery, Alex. Wish it was better. I think North Carolina or West Virginia is going to be better. But that's not till the middle of March or the end of March, I believe. So you got to wait a little bit. Shit, I'm speeding. Better slow down. Okay, yeah, it's getting a little slippery. This shit was supposed to have been over today. It is not slowed down. At least I'm not in New York. The city got shut down. I think they got a couple of feet up there. Alright, well, I'm going to get to driving. Hope you enjoyed your scenic tour of North Carolina.